Hello everybody, today's tutorial will be about finding journal articles in WorldCat Discovery. To begin, go to the LibGuides homepage and enter your keywords into the WorldCat Discovery search bar. Make sure to click the Articles option before clicking Search. I'm going to use the keyword Shakespeare. And then I'm going to hit Search. You will now see the search results page. To narrow down your search results, use the search tool options to the left. Because you already selected the article option on the LibGuides homepage, you do not have to select it again. Under Search Tools, select Full Text, Peer Reviewed, and then finally, if you want to change the year range, you can do so down here. Sometimes with journal articles, the newer the scholarship, the better your information is. So I'm going to select the last 5 years. Okay, so we've narrowed down our search results quite substantially. I'm even going to go ahead and click Young Harris College Library. So now that we have all these filters selected, I'm going to go ahead and narrow our search results even further by adding more keywords to our search. The more specific you go with your keywords, the narrower your search results will be. So in our example, I'm going to type in Macbeth. And then I'm going to hit search. So now we're down to 131 search results. Now if I scroll down, I'm going to use tyranny and fear in Aeschylus's Orestia and Shakespeare's Macbeth. Now, all you have to do to view the article is to click View Full Text. And we see that the article is in EBSCOhost. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just click on PDF Full Text so I can get a PDF copy of the article. So we have the article right here, and now I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my computer. This will look a little bit differently depending on the browser you're using. So I'm going to click Download, and I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my computer like so. I'm just going to rename it Shakespeare. And there you have it. That's how you find journal articles in WorldCat Discovery, and that is how you download articles. Thank you so much. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial video.